Alright guys, you're gonna look at my AC logos. That logo, that Smart Comfort logo, this came from an apartment complex in Knoxville. And that apartment complex was full of Bryant. It's just those Bryants that kind of look like Tech 2000s but aren't Tech 2000s. But yeah, this logo came from that heaven. That Smart Comfort, of course, it replaced another Bryant. This Ream logo, it came from a Ream classic unit that's in this AC alley in downtown Huntsville. It's not the Green Bus alley. It came from this alley that's behind one of my favorite restaurants ever. It's Jack Brown's. But yeah, and also behind a lot of different places. This one, it was actually in a different building. It was the only unit that was in the other side of the alley. Like, pretend that the alley's here. All the units were on this side, but the Ream and this one Fridberg one were on this side. But yeah, I believe that would go to like Sammy T's or the place behind him. My parents do not like Sammy T's. That's right. This train XB logo. This came from the 2007 train XB13 in the Green Bus Alley, the second part of it. This Ameristar logo. This came from this random Ameristar unit that's in downtown. According to 2016 Street View, they actually replaced a Goodman, not a CKL, not a CPLE. Normal looking Goodman. That Carrier logo came from one of the 2019 Carrier Comforts in my favorite AC heaven. And the unit was brand new back in 2019. I hate how I didn't get to film the old XCs that were there. But yeah, that came from a Carrier Comfort heat pump. This AirQuest logo. This came from an AirQuest unit in the Garden Cove apartment heaven. It was a very sketchy heaven, and I don't think I'm ever coming back there again. A lot of Duquesnes there were in bad shape, and yeah, there's a lot of units there weren't in good shape. They didn't take good care of their units. So yeah, they had a few AirQuest units, so that was pretty interesting. I knew I had to go one of them. Right here is a Gibson logo. I think Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo. I don't remember. This may have came from that Gibson at the antique store in Huntsville, which it's been replaced by a Goodman. I don't remember. But whenever I get a new Gibson logo, I'm throwing this one out because it does not look good. This Philco logo, I had this logo for a month now. It's the newest addition to his collection, even though I had it over a month now. But this logo, it came from a 2008 Philco that was at a house that I was going to a birthday for. There were two units there, the 2008 Philco and the 2006 Gibson package unit. I got a startup shutdown of that Philco. Anyway, I grabbed its logo. This Bryant logo. This was the Bryant logo I got. This is from the same AC alley as that Ream logo, but this one, it doesn't look good. I tried to. It had a lot of dust on it. I tried to paint it red, but now there's this stupid pink. And then some HVAC buddies gave me this logo here. There were people that was moving furniture from my mom's studio. She's not gonna work here at home. But anyway, this Bryant logo they gave to me, it looks much better than this. I'm probably giving this back to whatever Bryant I got at that heaven. Anyway, next logo is a Ream Prestige logo. This unit. The unit that this came from, it's unfortunately been replaced. It's only one of two Ream Prestiges I ever filmed. I don't know what year it was from, but it was actually replaced by a Douglas unit, a Pioneer. But yeah, thankfully I grabbed the logo off it. The other Rainbow Siege that I film, it's at that office complex heaven next to Walgreens. And it has an ECM fan motor and those weird blades. Not like the ugly XR silver blades, but you know. This right here, it's a rebadge pane, the letter maker. This logo I grabbed from that letter maker unit that's in the Regal Drive Heaven. It replaced that. It replaced a small Brian. It was like, I think an HVAC physicist said that that kind of Brian was very rare, so that's disappointing. It was replaced, but at least it was replaced by a letter maker. It was the first letter maker that I had to film. The other letter makers I filmed, they filmed them like 3 or 4 months ago, but they were somewhere in like East Huntsville. I don't really know, but I think there were 2 of them. They both replaced Frigidaires most likely. At least one of them did this year. This American Standard logo, Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo. I'm assuming it came from an American Standard that was in the XB style. Assuming it came from one of those. But yeah, I'm assuming this logo came from one of those American Standard XB style units. But yeah. I actually see much more American Standard Silvers in my area than Train XRs. I found much more AMC and Silvers. This Grand Air logo, this did not come from the 2022 Grand Air heat pump that's in my favorite AC oven. The one that replaced my second favorite unit in that heaven, an American Standard Heritage. My favorite unit in that heaven is the 2007 Bryant base model. But this logo, it came from a 2018, I think, Grand Air unit. It was also in like East Huntsville, but it was next to a 2016 pane, which appeared I had actually had some problems with it. So after I was walking away from the units, I heard the pane kick on and then it shut off right afterwards. There's got to be something wrong with that pane. The pain. Yeah, pain gets the pain. Okay, so yeah. And according to the older Street View, both of these units replaced stamped Opticons, ream stamped Opticons. So I'm disappointed by that. This pain logo, those HVAC buddies, it was the same people. It was from the same people that gave me that Bryant logo. Use that old Bryant logo. I tried to make it red, but it failed. No, that's not it. Look at this. Pink marks. And yeah, this logo appears to be red. So yeah, that's cool. This Duquesne logo, Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo, just like the American Standard logo. This, I'm assuming, came from an older Duquesne. I don't know. This Armstrong Air logo, I believe Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo. I don't know. I don't remember if Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo or I got it from some Armstrong Air. I don't know at all. I don't remember. This ICP commercial logo, I got this from some ICP commercial. I got this from some church in downtown Huntsville. It wasn't really in like the center of downtown, but it was like near downtown. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty interesting ICP. Pretty interesting unit. This Goodman unit, I think I got it from one of those Goodmans at the antique store. Same place where that Gibson was. But yeah, this one, I don't remember which Goodman this was. this Linux logo. I got this logo from a late 2000s, I think, Linux. That's at this one office building that's near the railroad tracks. It's right next to the HMCR tracks. It's at Clinton Avenue. But I got this logo from that unit, and it was really dirty when I first got it. It's still really dirty to this day. And this Heil logo is just messed up. I got this from the Heil Max Performance 10 that's at the courthouse. It's the only ground level unit at the courthouse. And it's from 2000. Corn Free Production, the video of the unit. I'm gonna get a new Heil logo soon. And yeah, look at these two Maytag logos. This one, it was from the same people who gave me that Pain logo and that Brunt logo. Yeah, this is Maytag logo. This is obviously like the early 2010s Maytag. And this Maytag logo I got like 3 or 4 months ago from some newer Maytag that's it's like near the HMCR tracks, but I don't think that Maytag will last very long. I bet it will last like less than 5 years. Or no, this actually didn't came from a normal Maytag. This came from a Maytag package statement that was across the building from that was across from that other Maytag. This came from a Maytag package unit. And we'll look at logos down here that I did not put up there. Another red Pain logo. This train logo, this Conditioner Solutions gave me this logo. I'm guessing this came from an XLI. I don't know. This Star 11 logo, which I really messed up. Look at that. I really messed it up there. Yeah, I don't know why I did this to the logo. I don't know why. I just did for some stupid reason. Conditioner Solutions did give me this logo. Thermal. This I got from 2013 Thermal Zone. I was at this office building in Huntsville. That unit has been replaced by a Goodman unit, which I found out about it like a few days ago. So rest in peace to it. And the 2011 Ream next to it was also replaced by Goodman. So rest in peace to that too. They lived short lives, 9 and 11 years. Why were they replaced? But anyway, this Thermal Zone top. I don't know why I did this. I don't know, but I made the sun a little yellow. You can't see it that well. But yeah, this logo is pretty dirty. I'm still shocked at the 1980, the early 90s, late 80s Linux that's next to those 2010 and 2013, 2011 and 2013 Ream products. It outlived those Ream products. So yeah, Linux making Ream look like trash. At least that was Linux back in the day. Turned out real good this day. Builders is always better. This right here is a Train XB1000 top, high efficiency. I actually did this red, so I want to look very plain. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Train should have done their XB1000 tops like this, but they never did. the unit that I got this from, I actually never uploaded a video of it. Don't worry, I'll revisit those units and upload the video of them. But I was back in 2020. So the other units at that building, there were some Train XCs, some Marvies, XB1000s, the medium-sized XB1000s, not like the very small ones. And there was like an XB13 that replaced an XB1000. And there was a pain unit that was totally rusted out. And I got it starting up, I think. I don't remember. Over here is my biggest logo. This Amana logo. It looks the biggest in size. But this Amana top I got from one of the 2020 Amanas. That's in the green modality in the second part. And the other Amana, they both replaced one unit. An 80s train commercial unit. A split system. So, and yeah, I even got that old train starting up. Okay, that was cool. I hate how it's now gone now. It was gone by 2020. So may it rest in peace. And the rest of these are just more carrier logos. And I've been giving